So this is the fourth lesson for chapter 6. In this lesson, we'll talk about the forms of other. Let's see what you already know. So choose the simple present or the present progressive. Oh, sorry, no. The instruction should say choose the correct form of other in the sentence. Mateo has two sisters. One lives in Lima and the other lives in Madrid. Number 2, some students work hard, others are lazy. Number 3, some students complete their homework on time, other students turn in assignments late. There are several kinds of boats. One is a sailboat. Another is a canoe. I bought a dozen eggs. I used 2 and put the others in the fridge. This pen doesn't work. Do you have another one? If you got a lot of these incorrect, don't worry, that's normal. But we want to make sure that we understand what the rules are. So let's start with chart 6-15 and talking about the difference between another and the other. I already ate one cookie, but I want another. Another is a combination of an plus other. It means one more out of a group of items. May I have another slice of pizza? Another means additional or one more. The other means the remains of a given number or the last one. I have 2 cookies. I'll eat one. I'll give you the other. Remember that whenever we use the in front of other, it means that once those things are used, there's no more. Whenever you use an in front of other, it means that after you take that one, there's still more after. So another and the other can be used as adjectives in front of a noun or in front of the word one. Look at the examples. He ate one cookie, then he ate another cookie, then he ate another one, then he ate another. We can also say he ate the other cookie, or the other one, or the other. The difference between these two examples, though, and the pictures didn't completely match with what we're saying. Whenever we're saying another, it means that there's still more. So if we say, then he ate another cookie, there's still more cookies. He ate another one, there's still more cookies. Then he ate another, there's still more cookies. In this case, there's more than one cookie. There's more than 2 cookies. In this case, there's only 2 cookies. He ate one cookie, then he ate the other cookie. Because whenever you say the other, it's the last one. So if he had one here and another one here, there's only 2 of them. Right? He ate one cookie, then the other one. Second one, there's none left. He ate one cookie, then he ate the other. This is the last one, the second one, there's nothing left. Whenever we have the, it means there's nothing left. Whenever we have an, it means nothing left. So let's look at the plural forms of other. Others or other with a plural noun means several more out of a group of similar items. We can use other with plural nouns or with ones. When other comes before a plural noun, we don't add s to other. We use others by itself. Look at the examples. Some stores sell clothes. Other stores sell shoes. Other ones sell jewelry. Others sell books. So again, the rule is the same. If we don't have the in front of it, it means that after we say this, there's still more stores. So we say other stores sell jewelries. So in this case, there's more than, sorry, other stores sell shoes. We mean that there's more stores than just the shoe stores. Other ones sell jewelry. We mean there's more stores than just the jewelry stores. Others sell books. There's more stores than just the bookstores. So remember that the always means this is the end. Whenever we don't have the, it means that there could be more. Or not there could be, but there are more. So the others means the last ones in a specific group. Look at the example. I bought 5 shirts. One is a dress shirt. The other shirts are t-shirts. Or the other ones are t-shirts. Or the others are t-shirts. So in this case, we're only talking about this specific set. So one of them is a dress shirt, but the others, all of these other ones, all 4 of them are t-shirts. Notice there's no more shirts besides these 5 that we're talking about. So again, whenever we're using the, we mean the last ones. After we talk about these. Oops. Sorry, I jumped ahead. So in this one, Tim plays several sports. One is soccer, another is table tennis. So remember here, it's several sports. It doesn't say that Tim plays 2 sports. So we know that one is soccer and another is table tennis. But because it says several, we know that it's more than 2. So there's more besides this. Some people wake up early and others sleep late. We don't have the because there's people, these are not the only types of people. It's not only people who wake up early and only people who wake up late. There's people in the middle, and there's people who sometimes wake up early and people who sometimes wake up late. Some people like to walk and other people like to drive. Again, we don't have the because there's not only those 2. Some people also like to ride bicycle. Some people like to run. Some people like to have skateboards or motorcycles, right? So these are not the only 2 choices. I have 2 pets. One is a cat. The other is a dog. See this? There's only 2. One, the other. The other is always going to be the last one. After that, there's no more pets. Now let's review forms of other. Another is a singular. It means additional. We can use it before a noun, before one, or by itself. Look at the examples. I made another sandwich, then I made another one, then I made another, right? And I could keep on making sandwiches until I ran out of bread, but there's more sandwiches whenever I used other. Other is used with ones or with a plural noun. We can use others without a noun. It means several more out of a group of similar items. Look at the examples. Oliver has several toy dinosaurs. Some toy dinosaurs are yellow, other toy dinosaurs are red, other ones are green, others are brown. Okay? We don't see all of the examples of the dinosaurs here. So there's more colors that could be had. Like if we look at this one here, we have one here that's orange. We have one here, I guess it's kind of green, but it's also kind of blue. This one's kind of tan. So there's more than just these 4 colors that are. The other is used with ones or with a plural noun to mean the last ones in a specific group. We can also use the others without a noun. Look at the examples. Some of the kids are wearing yellow jerseys. The other kids are wearing red, or the other ones are wearing red, or the others are wearing red. In this case, there's only two possible colors, yellow and red. I guess the goalkeeper. So let's try this here. Complete these sentences with another, the other, others, or the others. So winter is one season. So think about this. Here, how many seasons do we have? Do we have just two, winter and spring, or do we have more than two? Well, here we have more than two. So spring is another, because it's not the last one in the group. There are 4 seasons, okay? Winter is 1. So now we're listing all of the rest in the group. The others are spring, summer, and fall. Some people like the winter, and now we want to talk about people who like the summer. Are these the only 2 choices? No. Others prefer the summer. I'm going to travel to Asia 2 times this year. My first trip is in the spring, and the other trip is in the fall. I only have 2 trips, one and then the other. The other always means that's the last one. I don't have any other trips planned this year. So one thing to keep in mind, anytime you have a modifier like this, any or some, we can't use it with the. So for more practice, try doing the exercises in 6-15 to 6-17.